Most companies require their suppliers to be properly qualified and periodically requalified to manage certain risks and ensure compliance with the business criteria, such as the company's code of conduct. Oracle Procurement Cloud Supplier Qualification Management allows a buying organization to define qualification requirements for suppliers and manage initiatives to assess their conformance to them. This is Calvin Roth, Procurement Manager for Vision Corporation. Oracle Procurement Cloud is a robust end-to-end solution that helps him manage their entire source-to-pay cycle more efficiently. The Supplier Qualification Management module enables him to streamline the process of qualifying suppliers based on Vision's criteria. Calvin launches Oracle Supplier Qualification Management from the Launchpad view. This takes him to the Overview page, which provides a snapshot of all activities in progress and any actions he needs to perform to keep them on schedule. Vision is in the process of gathering sustainability, code of conduct compliance, and preference programs information, such as minority-owned businesses, from several of its key suppliers for assessment based on Vision's criteria. The information Calvin needs is easy to find with the intuitive screen layout. The work summary graph at the top right of the screen gives him a quick view of all the active qualification initiatives and their progress through each stage of the process. He can also drill down into any of the bars in the graph to view specific work items. The Recent Activities panel gives him an overview of in-progress activities as well as any recommended actions he needs to perform. Calvin notices one activity, an internal response that has been submitted by a Vision employee, with the recommended action of Accept Response. He clicks on the hyperlink to view the particular initiative for a supplier that's undergoing a primary qualification. It takes him to the questionnaire where responses have been provided by a Vision employee. Together with the information gathered directly from the supplier, this forms the basis for the supplier's assessment. After reviewing the internal response, Calvin adds a note concurring with the employee's assessment and accepts the response. Next, Calvin wants to review the actual model Vision is using for this initiative. He navigates to it using the right taskbar and selects the Manage Qualification Models link. Calvin clicks the Supplier Assessment Score link in the search results to access the model. Next, he wants to review the questions for the General Capabilities area and clicks the hyperlink. Calvin notices there are 4 questions. He clicks the link to expand and review the Customer Development question. He verifies that the supplier has a responsibility for answering this mandatory question. The question branching icon indicates that a yes response requires further explanation. Satisfied, Calvin returns to the General Capabilities screen. Before moving on, he notices the list of values in the Qualification Area Outcomes panel that Vision's evaluators will assign to a particular qualification area for each supplier. Like the model itself, the procurement organization chose these values to help in selecting suppliers during sourcing, compliance reporting, and other supplier management activities. They will also be used to generate an overall assessment for the supplier. Oracle Procurement Cloud Supplier Qualification Management is a powerful application that enables Vision to streamline their supplier qualification process. It allows Vision's procurement organization to create a framework to define qualification requirements, supplier questions, and assign particular outcomes. They can also easily monitor all in-progress activities. Lastly, Calvin is able to ensure Vision suppliers are properly qualified for business with an easy-to-use survey experience.